TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, this is Basil Chapman. This is the Tiger Financial News Network 3 p.m. market updates, and I will be doing the Tom O'Brien Show straight after this. My pleasure to do that. The Dow is down 143 at 34,944. I'm going to be discussing this pattern right here. You see on the left side the arch, then the V-shaped pattern. I call it the pie pattern. And what's happening on the right is going to be very important. Just to be real clear about it, we've got the end of the end of the day, the end of the week, and the end of the month in the next hour at 4 o'clock when the market closes. And that's why we were looking at these monthly charts. It's going to be really important. So we've got the S&P at this particular moment is down, but it's come back quite a bit from the low. It's down 21 at 4398. We've got the QQQ, NDX 100. It is down 179. It's come back from the low of 362.41. Not bad, but it's got a lot of work to do to correct the little bit of consolidation that it's had so far this week. We've got the IWM, the Russell 2000. This is the small caps bumped into this resistance that I call Chapman Wave inside track repellent zone. Ooh, it's really struggling. It's making an arch formation. A lot to discuss there. And we're going to be looking at the SMHs, with the semiconductor index, which is at a new all-time high today. Right at the moment, it's just a tad lower, but it hit 263.96. That's an all-time high, and that's going to be very important. We're looking at gold, which had a huge move up yesterday and a huge move down today. That's something else we're going to talk why I call it peak C1, C2, and what the implication is. We've got crude oil acting very well, broken out from the resistance level. It's at 73.87.25. I think that's what's impacting the transportation. We'll talk about that when I get back as well. We're looking at the dollar, which had a peak F in the Chapman Wave methodology, pulled back very sharply from this stalk leg formation. It's gone all the way down to below the 200-period moving average, now trying to come back. TLT bonds, really important. Hasn't been able to break to the upside, but is still holding quite well, which means the yields are down towards the lower end. There's a lot to talk about. We'll talk about high-grade copper. High-grade copper is pulling back, but it's had a really good bounce, and it's holding most of that bounce. I'll be back in a few minutes for the Tom O'Brien Show. I'll be the guest host. Looking forward to it. And, of course, as I say, the last hour of the day, of the week, of the month, of the trading month, that is. A lot to talk about. Looking forward to it. See you in a few minutes. Otherwise, have a great weekend.